Alright guys, welcome back to the show. Whoa, we're sideways! Hello Joshua, we're having fun today in the Daily Chaser. What is this? Welcome back to the channel guys. We are out on a Sunday jolly, aren't we, basically? On a Sunday jolly in the Chaser. We're gonna go to some gardens and watch some race cars. Have it full large. We're gonna go and spot some MX5. It's some MX5, but there might be some other content that we can grab. Is it? Yeah. We're gonna go and see the Escort. We're gonna go and see a few other beautiful cars. We thought we'd go for a full-on jolly in the Chaser to start this video off. The first day has been actually warm. It is genuinely, although I've got a hoodie on, I'm going to take it off in a minute because it's actually quite warm. We're gonna go for a little cruise down some B roads. Get cheeky sideways. Josh has his new wheels, so watch out for when we actually come to a stop because I'll show you the wheels. They're nice. I am genuinely impressed, mate. And also, we just got a pop out of her, didn't we? Yeah. We got a genuine pop out of the Chaser. Thumbs up for pops. Thumbs up for pops. No pops and bang, but it just generically popped a minute ago, didn't it? We did well, but offers pops. It was like, but we're gonna get on to Car Club, is what it is, isn't it? That's where we're going. We're gonna have a jolly. We've just stopped quickly for some snacks on the way. Look at the Chaser. You're right. Meal deals in Tesco, shout out. They are actually a good idea. I know I picked the wrong sandwich, but they didn't have everything else. Let's just have a look, creep up on the Chaser as we're here, mate. Look at the wheels. Let's just look at the wheels because they're looking phenomenal. Stance is just right, mate. Not too much scrubber dubbing either. Look at this. Dirty stance happening. You're just getting there, mate. Look at the wheels. They look so good. Mate, you've done well. Rolling in. What have we got? Where are we going? Where are we going? We've got a Porsche. Got another Porsche over here. I just cracked up on Joe. Are we ready for? I haven't even heard this thing yet since the engine was in it. Let's creep up on it. Let's get a zoom. Let's get. Oh, he's got our flashing lights going. Right, I want to now see Joe. I'm telling you to give it the big one off the line right now. He better give it the big one off the line. He will. Good lad. Get them. Oh, he'll stall it in front of everyone. Mate, don't do that. Don't do that. One or the other. Got a Mini going around in the background there. Nice and agile around here. Look at that. Oh, his wheel come off the ground. Right, Joe. Let's go. Oh, that sounds amazing. Yes, Joe. Go on. Mate, that sounds awesome. Oh my God, that sounds amazing. Oh, listen to it go. Oh, he's using it. Oh. Yes. What a lad. Oh. Yes, Joe, using it properly. What a hero. Full of Japanese dreams right there. Coming in with the Escort. That looks phenomenal. Yes, Joe. That is actually the first time I've heard that thing go. And I like how the sound changes. Like, you can hear the crossover, let's just say that. The intake and the way that thing comes on, it's actually phenomenal. Oh. So many race cars around here, mate. Love it. Let's just turn that off. The thing I love the most about this event especially is that you can bring anything. So you've got Subaru Impreza, pretty much standard with some road tyres. You've got this thing, I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's got VTR wheels, which is pretty sick. Rear engine, what's it got in here? I'm not sure what it is, but it's bloody cool, whatever it is. This Mini that's obviously race prepared. You've got an Austin Healey over here, Mini in the background. Look at this cappuccino. I mean, when was the last time you saw a cappuccino on slick tyres with wide arches and side exhaust completely stripped out as well? I mean, when was the last time one saw one of those, but one that looked like that? Another Subaru Impreza. Look at this, beautiful scenery. Beautiful scenery. Very majestic down here, Josh. Look at the fishes. You know, it's a serious motor event when fire extinguisher has a high vis on as well. That's when you know. And a walkie-talkie. Its own walkie-talkie. Yeah, important stuff. So down here, you'll get people coming literally full pelt
through here, through sort of a chicane sort of thing into. Well, I think that's more of a clipping point, so you don't. Oh, is there? Oh, so you don't clip this bit. Scary. And they'll come down here and literally whip round and then go back up the same way, I think. Oh, she's coming in. She's coming in hard. Oh, that's so tight. See, you've got his sunroof up. Lightweight distribution. Josh, what is with all these stairs? What are you doing to me? Look at this sick ass lift. It goes sideways. That is some lift goals right there. Some drift lift. Right. Definition of weight loss. It's got no windows in it. Look, that back window, there's no window in it. There's no window, no window, no window, no window. Hydraulic handbrake in the Mini. Little wheel coming off the ground. Oh, sideways. Good luck, mate. Good luck. Sick little Mini. I like that. It's like, even got a roof rack and he's taking it around. What a lad. Legitimate aerodynamics right there. Yeah, active aero. That is active aero. Out. Do a burnout. Do a burnout. Slip it. Get slip diff back going. Joe just went round for his last lap. What is going on with the camera? Hold on. We're cleaning, mate. We're cleaning. Face. Oh, there we go. Whee! Lovely. Joe just did his last lap there. We need to get that on the channel at some point. We were talking about it, but it will come closer to the summer, I think. Although it's a lovely day today. We shall see. I'm going to point out. Oh, look at this! It's coming in. Oh. This has just been bought by his brother, isn't it? Yeah. When was the last time you saw such a standard Evo? Even with like, it's just standard. It's got good sticker on it. It's got good stickers on it. Shout out. When was the last time you saw one of them? Honestly.
I also like the position of the screws on the
position of the screws, so it makes it look like Evo. Lovely. We're gonna have a little blip through the car park on the way out because you got to do car park spotting.
I like the wheels.
First spot. Look at that. Coca-Cola caps. Obviously these are VW wheels. Just have a look at this. Look at that, that's well cool. Cool little car. Pretty clean as well actually for old Mark II. Very nice. What have we got over here? Type R. There's something over there. Something over there. MX-5s. A lot of MX-5s here. MX-5 spotting has been quite a lot. S3 in the background there. There's a large variety of car here, which I've been hugely impressed with. Jump back in the Chaser into the luxury velour seats that I've got my side. Lovely. And potter back is what we're going to do. Potter back. Maybe give it the big one. Because we're stancing deep these days. Stance so much now. Things have changed.
The sooner people accept it.
The sooner people accept it, the better. This is our favourite song on the way home. Slow cats. I like cats. Like you like cats and all, didn't you? We are cats.
They're a bit slow, is it?
Well, yeah, it is a bit personal. Don't get me wrong. In all seriousness, though, we are actually cat lovers.
Yeah. Mine's called Albie.
He's black and white.
Yeah.
Love cats.
Cat.
Actually love cats. Josh has finally realised why stance life as a daily car can be a bit temperamental, can't it?
It's fine on the normal road.
Honestly,
right?
Look at these roads. They're hilariously bad, and you are now not now realising, but you're reminded how stance life daily is actually a chore on the Isle of Wight, especially. Look at the sea though, it's lovely. But it is a chore because these roads they don't look horrific through the camera lens, but they are actually dippy, and there's so much cut up road that it's like this, going down the road. Look at this, it's horrible. Literally look G going down the road though. G? Is that a GT freak? No, it's Carrera, mate, Carrera. False alarm, Mr. Carrera. Right, comments below, go. What does that number plate say in front? Right, comment below and tell me what this number plate is supposed to say.
Is that the Les driving?
Bob Lezzers. Blobbers? Blobless. Blobless. We'll go with Blobless. We're about to go on probably one of the best roads on the island. It's only a small little road though, isn't it? And this is called Cowley's. It's absolutely lovely. We've got many a Ford, like old school, like I think that's maybe a Cortina down there, Anglia. We're just following Blobless. Oh, look at that Clio. Just following Blobless because he knows where he's going. Look at this. Going out for a lovely jaunt. Lovely, look at this. If you guys remember actually way back, oh look at that caddy. It's got a splitter. We're just doing modified car spot at the moment. If you remember, probably I think about, I'd say 2 years ago, I brought an S2000 down here. That was one of the best days ever filming because it was just, although the S3000 was just a nice, you know, airbox, just a nice road. Just a lovely road. Lovely road for everything. It can be completely standard. You can have an airbox, you can have a roof down. It could be a chaser with race seat, fluttering. It's just a nice bit of road. Lovely. Who's Josh? Oh, there's a. Oh, you can't see it now. Yeah, you can't. Quick! Look at this view. Oh, look at that! Oh, we're going! Oh, squirrely from the back end. Drift car. That's the sum amount of drifting we've ever done on this channel. Yep. There it is. We've stopped quickly to take a couple of pictures of the chaser on this lovely day. I mean, look at this, palm trees. There's a Cosworth right there. Zoom into Cosworth. Where's he going, I wonder? Who is it?
Let's chase him.
Let's chase him. Chase him in the chaser. We've just stopped to get a couple of pictures. Look at this. Blue seas, palm trees, a zoo. Josh getting stance with the stance. I mean, look at, right, let's just go in quick to see what this thing looks like now. Oh, look at this. She's looking good, mate. Looking rather snaz. Getting some pics for the gram there. If you haven't, follow him at JJ90. She's looking proper stancy though, mate. I do love me a good chaser. The internet knows that. Very beautiful. There's flies everywhere, mate. What's going on? Look at this. It's just nice to see it. One, in the day. Two, in a beautiful location like this. I mean, palm trees, blue seas, chaser. Not on axle stands, not on a driveway. Not you crying about something that's happened and me going, oh, what is happening now? Park in front of the palm trees. Yeah, we want a palm tree shot. Taking some pictures. Got some palm trees in the shot. It's just nice for England to be like this. Because it never is it? It never is like this. Yeah, and today it's just absolutely beautiful. So I thought I'd bring a nice, beautiful bit of palm tree and chaser vibe to a little vlog. Right, we're going to jump back in the car. Where'd that Cosworth go, I wonder? It's a, what, VXR8?
No,
Holden? They're calling it a Holden today. I do like these. These are phenomenal cars. And they just fit in, you know. Not with this massive spoiler though. But
you like spoilers?
I do like spoilers, but
Big Country Labs.
Big Country Lab spoiler on having. Jumping back in the X6, so guys, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Remember, FYD Apparel has a new release right now. Everything's live. Head over and check that out because that's how I support all of these videos, all the shenanigans, all the car stuff. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.